I guess we received these stackable storage containers, color black for event purposes, and I think they're really nice. So you can set it up on your shop whenever you need it. Then come with these little wheels included. Just place them right here, that, right here, that, and when ready, you can stack them, as I've said. Goes like this, here, here, and okay. This is one. I'm gonna stack the other ones. Last one. Okay, here's how it looks. All set. You can move them. And you can use it in your store, your house. You can put different kinds of stuff in there. I'm gonna get some stuff. I'm gonna place these scissors and this Alexa in here. On the second floor, I'm gonna put these headphones. My cable is gonna go last one. This mouse. So with the headphones. So as you can see, you can put different kinds of stuff, and they're really nice. Okay, I like that it has legs, and you can stack depending of the amount of boxes you have. You can make it even taller, and they're really nice. If you just want to have two stacks, you can separate them, and see, and you just put them aside. This is how it looks, and they're really nice. I like them a lot, and I would recommend them. See ya.